Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we're going to highlight a new feature from Summit 2025, identity verification. Internally, this is managed by navigating to a record, and then profile, then verification. Identity verification is used in Slate to combat fraudulent applications and does cost 2 Slate credits. The credit is applied when the student completes the verification. The process can be tested internally so we can get an idea of the steps used by a student. Click on Test, and then Impersonate. I select my country of citizenship because this process does support ID from over 120 countries. If I click on Proceed, I'll see the student experience. I can agree and continue, and then I'll be prompted to my mobile device. During the real process, I would take photos of an official document like a license or passport, provide identifying information, and then take a selfie that would have to match my documentation. We can also preview what that process looks like internally with different outcomes. Right now, this process can be used in a deliver mailing, a form, a status portal, and over a text message. While it cannot be associated with a checklist now, Technolutions has announced that as a coming feature. There is a brand new permission related to viewing the verifications, which can be granted to users or inherited by admin users. It is also possible to query on identity verification using the new table verification, which can be joined to from the person table. I hope that seeing this feature helps you feel more confident in implementing the process. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.